Hey guys, Aaron here from BitBranding, and today I'm going to show you how to use music on your Instagram stories. And if you're like me, you know that Instagram stories are a lot of fun, a lot of people are watching them, but more importantly, a great way to entertain and keep people focused is to add music that people already like and know, and you can add that to your brand. If this is your first time watching a video, make sure you subscribe. We put out content every single week. All right, let's jump in. So first thing you want to do is you have two options. If you are a new business or maybe you're a new brand and you don't have the option to leave music, we'll come to something for that here in a second, and I'll teach you kind of a workaround. If you do have the option to record music, you'll go ahead and create a story, and we can do something like this. I'm recording, we're talking here, and you can create your story. You can add text like you normally would, but then you would go to that smiley face and you can click on music. For me, I have it as one of the top 6 because I use it quite often. And this will allow you to add music to it. So, okay, so one of the top ones here is Ed Sheeran's Perfect or Justin Bieber's Yummy. So we'll just use Justin Bieber here. I guess at the time of this recording, he just dropped a new album. So you have multiple options here. You can add the lyrics. So it's playing right here. And you can add the lyrics by clicking on it. And you can add different parts of the song by dragging and dropping. You can move it to have, there you go, have the lyrics this way. There you go. This will get the lyrics a little bit bigger. Again, you can move them. This is the album cover. This one I don't know. There we go, bigger album cover. And then again, a text. So just click text. And then whenever you play the story, it should play out loud. I'm obviously recording on my phone, so I don't think it's going to play the music, but it does show the lyrics. If you want to edit it again, you could go to just show, the album cover. Click done, and you don't have to show the lyrics. You can just show the album cover. But then it kind of lets others know that, hey, there's going to be music on here, or you can add a sticker just really quickly. A lot of people do this so that you know that you want them to listen with sound, if it will load. If it doesn't, come on, load. If it doesn't, then you can just add this GIF here and say, hey, sound's on. And you may be talking about eating something yummy. I don't think that's what he's referencing in the song, but we'll go with that for this Instagram story. So you could have some of your food and you could be talking about it. Maybe you're a restaurant and saying how yummy it is. And then you drop in Justin Bieber's song, Yummy, which is already popular. So that allows you to kind of tell your story, tell your brand, or tell more about your brand while kind of putting in some popular culture. What's cool about music is that you don't have to use those top options there. Like I said, I use that song because it just came out, but you can change the song to anything you want. So you could literally find something from like AC/DC, Back in Black. You could literally use something from that. So I think if it's on Apple Music, then it's more than likely going to be available for you. I don't know who exactly they use, but I haven't seen any limitations yet for the video. All right, so if this is your first time and you do not have the music app or you don't have the music option, one thing that I like to do is go over to Spotify, make sure that the side of your phone, depending on your iPhone, depending on your Android, is toggled on, and you want to record the song. So this is, again, a song. This song is playing out loud. And then you would go over to Instagram Stories and you could talk like this. It's not going to give you any lyrics. It's not going to give you anything else like that, but you can still let people know that there's sound on. You could find it from Spotify, Apple Music, anything. The only thing you cannot use is YouTube. And whenever you're talking, the music's going to play in the background because of the music's playing on the outside of it. So if you don't have the music option, you can still have music on your Instagram story, which is still pretty cool. It's not as many features, but it does allow you to add some music and add some flair. Just make sure that you use the GIF option to let people know to listen with sound. All right, so if you don't have the music option within the stories feature, it's really by chance that you have it or you don't have it. Instagram's been rolling it out for some time now. They said that everybody, quote unquote, should have it by spring of 2019. And a lot of people still do not have it. If they do have it, you'll see it in there. If you don't, there really is no rhyme or reason. Some articles online will tell you to delete a profile, add it back to your phone, download the latest app. But there really is, it's a push update, meaning that you don't have to necessarily download anything, or it's not an Instagram update to get that feature. So there really is no rhyme or reason. Just make sure that you keep checking it. Just one day it popped up for me, and then I've had it ever since. So you could have the exact same thing happen to you. Just make sure that you're checking it frequently. All right, so looking forward to seeing your guys' new Instagram stories with some music. Hopefully there's some dancing in there. Everybody likes some dancing. If not, we like to laugh. So if it's not good dancing, we still go check it out. So go out there, use Instagram stories, but use music in the background. It will help you stand out. It will help people relate to you, help your brand move forward. And if you guys have any questions about how this works, drop a question below. I know there's a few steps within there. You may have some questions. Just drop them below. We're super responsive. And as I said earlier, if you guys are watching this for the first time to our channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. We put out content just like this every single week. See you guys.